Hi, it's Fox, Avalue Product Manager. Welcome to watch this video. Today, I will present to you HMI Turnkey solution for integrating Industry 4. After that, you can figure out how Avalue product to become part of Industry 4. First of all, I think everyone should realize that we are already on the way to Industry 4, and all our production have been changing. No matter what we call it, intelligent manufacturing or smart factory, etc., the destination we will arrive is integrating to all technology, including cloud computing, IoT, mobile data management, automation, and robotic, big data analysis, and AI, and end-to-end. From Industry 1 to 4, there is not only an evolution, but also a revolution. In the past, our productivity becomes smarter and more efficient than before due to automation and computer. That is Industry 3 we call. However, we still have a lot of problems during our production, like incomplete integration of IT and OT. Just like you have a brilliant brain and excellent skill, but you cannot connect them smoothly. The Industry 4 is announced to resolve the problem and to add intelligence and increase ongoing automation for traditional manufacturing, using and integrating the modern smart technology. Not only automation increase, but also improved communication and self-monitoring and production of smart machines that can analyze and diagnose the issue without human intervention. Watch the pyramid. There are 5 levels of the smart factory when we go into Industry 4. The IT level include ERP, MES is like our brilliant brain, provide the idea, plan, development, and the organization. The OT level is like our excellent skill, execute the production by sensor, motor, robotic, and equipment. Now, we use the edge level to connect them to work together without time and communication gap. The control and the supervision level inside the edge are what we discussed today. How Avalue provides a solution for the smart factory architecture. On this page, we will go faster to discuss IoT. IoT is the fundamental for Industry 4 and also the basis of smart factory. A simple concept, IoT is the abbreviation of Industry Internet of Things. All the controller, sensor, equipment, peripheral, and software are connected to work, communicate, and transaction together. In the past, IT, information technology, and OT, operation technology, are 2 different areas. They work separately. How to precise to transmit the plan, thinking, and command from IT to OT, and how to retrieve the feedback from the OT to IT. The communication is always a problem. On the left side, the IT area using the traditional LAN, Wi-Fi connection, or new connection technology for IoT like MQTT, LoRa, and NB-IoT, etc. All information can be accessed, stored, and processed by mobile device, database, and cloud. On the other hand, right side is OT, operation technology onto supervisory, execute, and produce through the PLC, CNC controller, and I/O module to connect the machine, meter, and sensor. The protocol used on OT are CAN open, Modbus, etc. The IT and OT have a totally different protocol and system, so we need the solution to make them work together as the IoT. The answer is the previous page I said, HMI, Human Machine Interface, from the edge level. to be the bridge between IT and OT, processing and analyzing the information from IT and then executing and operating into OT. Because of that, Avalue provides a HMI turnkey solution for you. Okay, let me imagine that a HMI panel PC used on factory, manufacturer, or harsh environment. What kinds of challenges might we face in the first step? The factory or manufacturer might work with a vibration and shock environment, and sometimes the workplace temperature is more extreme than we think. How do we ensure the HMI panel PC to work with the harsh environment without problem? The answer is the shock and the vibration testing. Why shock and the vibration testing is so important? Shock and vibration testing ensure product performance under extreme conditions. The product might face mishandling, juggling, and various modes of shipment. The testing comply with relevant regulation and have a totally confidence that the product have remain in good condition. To make sure the products to withstand the different mode of shipment and harsh operating environment, Avalue rugged HMI has been designed, engineered, tested, and certified for more extreme shock and vibration testing, for ensuring work with the ruggedized application perfectly. It's our core competency, fundamental, and culture. For the reason, we are confident to propose Avalue rugged HMI panel PC. Avalue provides complete product and solution for industry automation. What are industry panel PC, industry monitor, software, and peripheral? If the panel you want to use on harsh environment with extreme temperature, more vibration and shock, ARC, SPC are the rugged HMI we suggest. If you want to use the panel PC on light industry environment with a normal temperature, light or no vibration and shock, OFP series is a good choice. For industry monitor, it suggests using for display or monitor purpose. Customer can use them to monitor the device and connect to the controller through the USB for touch function. We can provide the ARC OFN touch monitor for that. We also have the peripherals and accessories like a panel kit if the customer want to use them to assemble their own panel PC or monitor. Not only providing the hardware, but also presenting the software product like iFace Designer and Reality Sentinel-2 for integrating them as the complete solution. Avalue is also proud of our technical support and customization service. Here are some customization services we can provide. For panel, brightness enhance, auto dimming, privacy filter. For motherboard, we can provide a platform change, remote I/O and add I/O. For touch, we can provide P-Capper, resistive touch, or glass only. For bonding, we provide air bonding and optical bonding. As for coding, AR, AG, anti-fingerprint, hardness enhancement, anti-scratch, antibacterial. For mounting, VESA mount, wall mount, panel mount, we all can provide. Now, we totally realize what HMI panel PC Avalue can provide for industry automation or IoT workplace. Then, let me explain how we combine Avalue industry panel PC with software as HMI turnkey solution for being integrated into Industry 4. The software Avalue can provide for HMI purpose is iFace Designer. Avalue integrated ARC series rugged HMI panel PC and iFace Designer as a complete HMI turnkey solution. iFace is a package software which is able to constant software service, especially for industrial automation businesses. The iFace Designer, a software editor for visualization as the HMI on the panel PC. The HMI software iFace Designer is a cross-platform package software consisting of two parts. One is editor to be installed on the PCs or laptop running Win 7, Win 10. After the development, user can simulate the result or install and run on the selected hardware platform. The two major function elements of iFace Designer include a built-in vector graphic widget library, which contains the most common used widgets such as push buttons, switch, lamps, meters, bars, etc. And the wide coverage of physical PLC driver as well as codices software PLC driver database, which contain more than 90% of mainstream PLC brand and standard protocols in the industry. The diversified smart functions can fulfill all kinds of use case scenarios in automation, instrumentation, supervisory, and IoT. With the built-in functions and tools, iFace Designer can significantly shorten the time for project development and deployment. Here are some customized HMI control panel interface with functional button and child we built for your reference. We can customize the button, child, alarm, and trigger service according to the PLC, sensor, motor, and equipment our panel PC connect. For example, we can use ARC series Rocket HMI panel PC to connect to the PLC with temperature and position sensor or servo and motor, using iFace Designer to customize the HMI interface for embedding the data log, child, alarm, and button service. Then install the customized HMI interface into ARC series Rocket HMI panel PC for monitoring and controlling the PLC with end device and equipment. Now, let me show you what successful application scenario we achieve and how we integrate iFace into our ARC HMI series. In this case of IoT swarming machine, not like any traditional standalone swarming machine, the HMI server as and the IoT interface connecting both the PLC for automated devices such as fabric feeder, suction, and pressure foot. On the other hand, it connects with a servo device to active servo models. Meanwhile, collecting real-time data from swarming machine and send them to custom MES system and database for remote production, monitoring, and management in a government factory. The second case is the CNC machine. Conventionally engineer configure the CNC program with G-code language on their PC, then goes back and forced to have the trial run on the machine. To enhance the work efficiency, iFace Designer has a unique CNC G-code edit tool to enable the communication between HMI and CNC controller. The programming can be adjusted directly on HMI screen. Moreover, combining the IoT functions powered by iFace Designer, now remote monitoring and remote maintenance of CNC machine can be easily achieved. The third one is Avalue panel PC with iFace Designer can become a SCADA system for high-level supervisory. We developed the IoT energy management platform with iFace Designer to integrate 4 intelligent management systems including freezer, air conditioning, lighting, and power monitoring for smart retail environment. It does not just show the real-time operating status of equipment, but also bridge the data to IoT cloud server to instance push data, event, and alarm message through email or a live messenger app for remote monitoring to optimize the overall power consumption and to avoid downtime. This platform is suitable for any venues that share similar infrastructures such as retail store, banks, school, factory, warehouse, theme park, and so on. Last but not the least, with Avalue excellent hardware durability, superior platform performance, and customized, elegant, user-friendly software interface, HMI are widely applied in varied factory production equipment. Industry map covers electronic, metal processing, textile dyeing, and finishing, food processing to name a new. Okay. Thank you all joining this presentation. If you have a further question about our HMI Turnkey solution, please contact with us. Thank you for watching today. Hoping you enjoy the video.